Video 485. Really, you want to go here because we do not have time on this playlist to do justice to this. We made a lookup table. This is the lookup table we made, and in this unit test section, within this even more LUT formats section, we have made a test to check all the values inside here. So all we're going to do is we're going to loop through every single record in here and try to compute the value that should be in there. And if we've populated our lookup table in a sane and consistent manner, then we should be able to predict what should be where. Okay, so you can pause here to read all this. Okay, you can. I'm going to scroll down here. You can pause here to read all this. All right, and you can pause here to read all this. So what we're going to do is we are going to use a formula to compute these, and we're going to cross-check them against these, which are going to be grabbed out of the lookup table, and they should be equal to each other. So we're going to loop through every single record. So H27, 0 to 26 inclusively. H27 is basically the record index within our lookup table. So inside of calc expected is where we're doing all of our crazy formula math, and I don't have time to explain these formulas. So you can pause here to look at these formulas. And then I'm going to scroll down a little bit here. You can pause here to look at these formulas. Okay, I'm going to scroll down a bit. Pause here to look at this formula. All right. And then pause here to look at this formula. Okay, so once we've pre-calculated everything, we're going to use the lookup table. Get gotten. We're going to use the actual lookup table. We're going to take the record index, multiply by the stride, and add an offset 0 to 7 inclusively to get out all of these members of our table. So right here, you can see all these member names of our table, all of our column names. Those column names match these names right here. Then right here in the check gotten, we're going to make sure that the gotten matches the expected. If it doesn't, we're going to log out what we got, what we expected, what we got, what we expected, and we're going to throw an error. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am Kanji Coder.